Guys, we had to do something cool. Hello, Powerpuff Girls. I'm the pink one, I'm happy. I'm the blue one, I'm happy. I'm the green one, I'm mad. Okay, you guys are the Powerpuff Girls, I know. I was waiting long for you. And I was thinking about you so I could see you. I always love you because you always save the day. What's on? Ow. Whoa, girls. If you want to talk, just wait. What's 6 plus 25, girls? Can we go back this and think? Uh, 35 hours later. 16. Yes. Oh, you guys took so long and you guys are dumb. No, we're not dumb. You just think we are. Because you guys take so long to answer this math equation. What math equation? I don't care. I'm going to my house. Someone's in there. It's dangling your house. Get out of my house before busting it. Get out. Ah! Woo! What you was doing? I can't tell you. But it's for real. The Powerpuff Girls. Okay, bye. We're going with Dora. Okay, we're going to take Dora with us to be our team. So nice. Dora, what did I do about you? No. 25 hours later until Dora comes back from the Powerpuff Girls.